Hello children, today I am going to teach you division. Okay, what is division? Division means equally, sharing equally or sharing into equal groups. Okay, dividing into equal groups. So here I have given an example. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Suppose 14 chocolate I am having. I want to give 2 chocolate to a person. How many person will get 2 chocolates? So 7% will get 2 chocolates. So when I have 14 chocolates, if I want to give 2 chocolates, then 7% will get 2 chocolates. So this is division. So I am equally dividing the chocolate that I am having. I am dividing equally to the person. That is division. And the terms what you have to know in division are okay, dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend means this is a number which is divided by 2, right? So the number that is to be divided is called dividend, and that number that divides is called divisor, and the answer you get is called quotient. Again I am telling, the number that is to be divided is called dividend. The number that divides is called divisor. The answer that you get is called quotient. So you have to know the terms dividend, divisor and quotient. So always remember, dividend is bigger than divisor and quotient. Okay children? Now we also learned that division is a repeated subtraction. When you divide, in your lower classes you have done your division, right? When you divide, you will subtract. You will put subtract sign and you will subtract the numbers. So division is also known as repeated subtraction. Okay children? Now we will see how we will do the repeated subtraction. Okay children, now I will teach you how to do repeated subtraction when a division is given. Okay, now see here, the same number only I am taking here for first example. 14 divided by 2, we know answer is 7. But how we got the 7 we will do. So what you have to do, 14, you have to write the dividend, this is dividend, minus 2. 2 is there now. Whichever number is given as the divisor, that number you have to subtract. So you will get 12. Again, keep on doing subtraction till you get 0. Okay, so I am doing. So it is 10. Again minus 2, it will be 8. Okay. I am doing it here. 8 minus 2, 6. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 0. I got it. Okay. So now see how many times I have subtracted 2. Here 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is repeated subtraction. When you subtract the number, whatever the divisor, when you subtract the dividend by divisor till you get 0, you have to now count the divisor, how many times you have subtracted. So it is 7 times. The answer is 7. Now we will do for this. So 27, we have to subtract 9. Okay, 27 minus 9. So it is 18. 18. Again minus 9. Answer is 9. Again if you do minus 9, you got 0. So again you cannot do. Oh, now how many times you got 9? 1 time. 2 times. And here 3 times. So we got, how many times did we minus 9? 3 times. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. Okay. Another also hint I will give you. See, if you multiply divisor and quotient, 2 sevens are 14. You will get the dividend. Again see, 9 threes are 27. 9 into 3. Divisor into quotient. If you multiply, you will get the dividend. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now I am going to teach you multiplication facts and division facts. Multiplication facts we already learned. So multiplication fact is nothing but when two factors, when we multiply, we get product. That is multiplication fact. So here 3 into 2. 3 into 2 we get 6. So this is the multiplication fact. That is when we multiply two numbers we get product. That's it. Division fact means, see, same example I am taking. Division fact means, remember dividend, I told you dividend will be bigger. So the bigger number when I multiply, I am taking same examples, okay. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. I am taking 6. I am taking this 6 divide by 2. If I divide any number, 6 divide by 2, which number is there? 3. So that will be the answer, okay. And if I divide 6 divide by 3, then which number is there? I am dividing 6 divide by 3. Which number is here? 2. So I will write there. So for each multiplication fact, there will be 2 division fact. Either 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, or 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, children, now I will teach you how to find quotient and how to find divisor. First we will see how to find quotient. Quotient means, you know, this is dividend, divisor and quotient. Quotient is nothing but answer. So to find quotient, it is very easy. The divisor is there, right? You have to tell the tables of the divisor. Suppose it is 3 tables. You have to tell 3 tables till you get the dividend 6. Okay. So now say 3 tables. Let's say 3 tables. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So where we got 3 twos are 6. So answer is 2. When you multiply this 2, 3, 2, you will get dividend. Divisor into quotient, we will get dividend. So very easy. Now in 11 tables, how many times 55 will come? 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55. So 5. So answer is 5. So here say you have to tell 8 tables till you get 72. So if you tell 8 tables, so 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. So 8 nines are. So that 9 is the answer or quotient. Okay. So now to find the divisor, same method. To find the divisor, there is a trick. How here you told 2 tables. Here you have to tell the tables which is for quotient. Okay, this is dividend, divisor, quotient. We have to find the divisor. You see quotient is there, that whatever digit is there, that tables if you tell till you get 45, you will know the divisor. For example, 9. So 9 is here. 9 tables we will tell till we get 45. Okay. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. And 9 fives are 45. So 45 came when we multiply 9 into 5. So answer is just 5. Very easy, right? Now see, when you multiply these two numbers, you have to get the 45. 5 into 9, 45. So answer is correct. Now same way. Here 32 divided by a blank is 8. So you have to tell which table you will tell. Very good. 8 table you will tell. So in 8 table, if you have to tell, you have to get 32. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. So what is the answer? 4. Very good. 8 fours. 4 eights are 32. So same way. So what will be the answer here? 3 fours are 12. So 3 fours are 12. So you got the answer. So a trick is you have to tell the tables of either divisor or the quotient to find divisor and quotient. Understood? Okay. Now children, I will teach you how to find dividend. We saw how to find quotient and divisor. Third one is how to find dividend. Dividend is what? The bigger number that comes first, right? I told dividend is bigger number. So dividend, divisor, quotient. So very easy. Just multiply these two numbers. I told now before only, just multiply these two numbers. 7 into 3 how much? 7 3s are 21. Very good. That is the dividend. Okay. So now see 21, when you divide by 7 you will get 3. Okay. Now so to get this second answer, just multiply 2 into 9, 18. That's it. So when you divide 18 divide by 2, it is 9. Now third answer, 5 4. So what you will do? 5 into 4. 5 into 4, 20. So 20, when you divide by 5, you get answer as 4. This is how you have to find dividend. Understood children?